Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Tommy Kentner here. Today we're doing downpipes on a 2009 GTR. So the first thing we do is got to get this out of the way, get this panel down. Already got some bolts, and then we got to go way up there. And we're going to do a new AMS intercooler on this thing too. Looks pretty sweet. But here's the parts. And we had these heat coated, and then of course AMS, the good stuff. So we're going to jump into it and be right back. Got the mid pipe down. Now we can see a little bit more up in here. You probably can't see it. It's gonna be hard to get a picture of the downpipe bolts, but I'll show you. You might be able to see a few, but we'll get it working. Trying to get you a better shot of the bolts. Let me get a better angle. Alright guys, we finally got all the bolts in. The first downpipe is down
it's
and
free.
out. Yeah. You just disconnect these from the top, and then this has a little plug here.
Make sure it doesn't get hung.
Yes. Alright, now we gotta take the drive shaft down. And then we can get this one out. We got all the bolts out of it, and it's unhooked up top. No studs broke.
Yay!
Yes, no engine pulling today. So mine's next, and hope it goes the same way. Alright guys, we got the drive shaft out of the way. Now to take the final downpipe out smoothly. Yes. Alright, we're going to throw the new ones back up and get them installed, and then I'll bring you back and update you. And that's the studs, a real good shot of the studs and the gasket. We got new gaskets going in and new bolts, and then we're going to get the new downpipes up, but I just want to get you a better shot. But yeah, this side right here is definitely worse. Alright guys, we got to move the O2 sensors from here to here. And then the bottom ones go in the bottom. Make sure you don't get these mixed up, or you will have to uninstall them again. They have to go bottom to bottom, top to top. Like I said, don't get them mixed up. And we have new gaskets, so we're going to switch them and then go from there.
Oh, I had to go to get the tires. Yeah, that's.
All right, got the O2 sensors in. A key note to this is the black cord goes up front, and then the back one goes in the back, or the white one goes in the back. So black towards turbo, white near the catback. Alright, got the downpipes back in. A lot easier to install instead of uninstall the factory ones. Just had to hook up the top O2 sensors and put the Y pipe up, and this is done. But we're going to move on to the AMS front mount. So we got to work on removing these little caps right here, across here. Get these 10, and I think there's a few 12s out of here, and pull the front bumper off. We'll take those side markers out, and then there's 3 bolts, like one right here, one right here, and then one in the very corner. And I'll try my best to show y'all how to get to those, but I don't know how good that's gonna go, so we're just gonna try to get it done. Alright guys, we got the front bumper off. Just kind of run you through it. You pop off the lights from the back. They have a little, just a tab on them. And you can use a flathead screwdriver to get them off. And then it has 3 bolts, which is a lot easier to see now. So we got one here, here, and then all the way up here. And that's the 3 bolts holding that. And then you have to take off all the clips on this, on the over tray, and then it has these clips up under it, and then the whole front bumper comes off. It's a lot easier with 2 people, and like I said, I'm just trying to run through this. So now got to remove this and then unhook these pipes, and we'll get the front mount off, and then I'll open the box and show you what's in the AMS intercooler. Alright guys, time to open up the AMS box, see what goodies are inside here. That's a big one. That's a lot bigger than factory. Alpha. Time to make some power. Comes with all of your clamps, silicone couplers, and all that good stuff. Alright guys, got a little carried away and ahead of myself, so I didn't really get you an outside view with all this out of the way. But we got everything buttoned up. The new kit comes with these clamps and hoses. They fit to the factory ones. So it all looks really nice. But of course you got the Alpha logo on it. And look at the brake ducting. And then on this side, alright guys, this is about all we're going to get done today. We got the intercooler on, the downpipes on, just got to finish up getting the Y pipe on, and the front bumper cover and the fender liners, and I think we're good to go. But that'll be in the next video, so stay tuned for the fire up, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video.